Here we are once again, SOS Customs, doing a full restoration on a 72 Datsun 510. Beautiful paint. Got the hood propped open. Check what we got under here. SR20 motor swap. Nice little resto mod, coilover setup. Fast little car. Power to weight ratio is crazy. It's like you're driving a go-kart. Paint, everything done, bodywork paint. The interior on it. All the chrome has been redone. The exhaust. Clean interior. Detachable steering wheel. Headliner. Got the race seats in there. Check out the back. So cars for sale. Let me know. SOScustoms.com.